Hello, good day, viewers. Yesterday we have seen the proof of sum of two cubes. So today we are going to look on to difference of two cubes. X cubed minus y cubed equal to x minus y multiplied by x squared plus xy plus y squared. So let's get started. I know that if I take x minus y to the power of 3, I shall obtain two terms that correspond to x cubed minus y cubed. So let's do that. So if I take x minus y raised to the power of 3, I know a shortcut of expanding this, but I would like to show you every single step. So this is the same thing as x minus y multiplied by x minus y multiplied by x minus y, because x minus y is to the third power. So let me first of all expand the first two, then I use the result to expand the other one. X times x will give us x squared. X times negative y will give us negative xy. Then you come to the second term here. Negative y times x will give us negative xy. Negative, negative, positive, y times y is y squared. Remember, we still have x minus y. The middle terms are like terms. Negative xy, making negative 2xy. So this is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared multiplied by x minus y. X times x squared will give us x cubed, according to one of the laws of indices, right? X times negative 2xy will give us negative 2x squared y, because the x's will multiply. Then x times this will give us positive xy squared. We are done with x. Then for y, negative times this will give us negative x squared y. The negative is positive. Y times this will give us 2xy squared. Then lastly, we have negative y cubed. Now you can see we have x cubed minus y cubed. That's exactly what we are looking for. So let me bring them together. We have x cubed minus y cubed. Do we have like terms here? This is gone already. This is gone. We have negative 2x squared y here. We have negative x squared y here. This is negative 2. This is negative 1. Together we have negative 3 x squared y. This is gone. This is also gone. Then we have these two. You can see they are all positive. So we have positive 3xy squared. Remember, what are we doing here? We are only expanding x minus y to the third power. So now I would like to make this the subject. X cubed minus y cubed. So all other terms will come to the left. To the left, we have x minus y to the third power. As this crosses over, it becomes positive 3x squared y. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 3xy squared. The other side, remember, we have taken these two terms. We only have this left, which is what? X cubed minus y cubed. All right, what do we have here in common? You can see that this is x minus y to the third power, right? But I can see 3xy here in common. So this is x minus y to the third power plus 3xy in bracket. 3 is outside, or you can just take the whole of this term and divide by this. 3 will cancel 3, x will cancel x, y. Okay, this is x squared, right? X squared divided by x will give us x. Y divided by y is 1. So we only have x from the first term. Minus 3 divided 3, 1. X divided x, gone. Y squared divided by y, we still have y. The whole of this equal to x cubed minus y cubed. All right, let us move to the top. So you can see that we have x minus y here to the third power. We have another x minus y here to the first power. So we can factor out x minus y. So we have x minus y outside. Inside, from the first term, if you take the whole of this, you divide by this. You still have x minus y to the second power because this is initially to the third power. So we have x minus y to that second power. Then plus, this is outside already, so we have only this quantity, 3xy. Then we close. This remain x cubed minus y cubed. Now I would like to expand this x minus y squared. Initially, we have expanded it as x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, right? So I think let me bring this one to the left. X to the third power minus y to the third power equal to x minus y multiplied by the expansion of this is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. But we still have this plus 3xy. So x cubed minus y cubed equals x minus y multiplied by, we have x squared. This and this will give us positive xy. Then we have y squared. And you see that they are exactly as what we have here. X minus y, x squared plus xy plus xy, y squared. Therefore, the difference of two cubes can always be factorized as this. Simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.